Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to smooth zoom in After Effects. Creating a smooth zoom effect and Adobe Effects is a powerful technique that can enhance the visual appeal of your videos. Whether you're zooming in into a specific area for emphasis or transitioning between scenes with a different zoom. Mastering the effect can add a professional touch to your project. Here's a detailed guide on how to achieve smooth zooms in After Effects. The most straightforward way to create a smooth zoom effect is by animating the scale and position properties of a layer. Here's how you can do it. Launch After Effects and open the project where you want to apply the smooth. Go to Composition, New Composition, or just use the shortcut Ctrl N. Set the composition settings such as resolution, frame rate, and duration, then hit OK. Import your footage or image by going to File and drag it to the timeline. Then choose the layer you want to zoom into. With the layer selected, press S to reveal the scale property. Move the playhead to the option and the timeline where you want the zoom to start. Click the stopwatch icon next to the scale to create a keyframe. Move the playhead to the point where you want the zoom to end. Increase the scale value to zoom in. For example, you might set it to 100%, to 150 or more, depending on the zoom intensity you want. Press P to reveal the position. If there's any necessary fixes, adjust the position values to keep the area you want to zoom into centered as you scaled up. Now click the S key again. Right-click on one of the selected keyframes. Go to Keyframe Assistant and choose Easy Ease. This smooths out the transition, creating a more natural zoom effect. Now, choose the keyframes for scale. Click the Graph Editor button at the top of the timeline panel. In the Graph Editor, adjust the speed graph to create a more gradual start and end in the zoom effect. Drag the handles to create a smoother curve, which will make the zoom easy in and out more naturally. And just preview your edited video by clicking the spacebar. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.